MSN Recorder Max. I'm also paste the file name that I just created, which includes the following words: my video dash, then the date. 25 represents the current year, 2025. 03 represents the third month of March, and 12, the 12th day of the month, which is today, Wednesday, and then the time that MPEG. So this is a video file name. Now to this I want to add PSAR problem step recorder, so I'm going to run it, and I want to verify that it is set up for 999 screen. So I upgrade the 25 default to 999, and then I start the recording. I want to add a comment with a video file name from MSN Recorder to embed in the PSAR problem step recorder executable, so they are linked together. And now I'm going to take the dialog step recorder recording now dialog box and place it on top of MSN Recorder Max. In addition to that, I've just installed another software application, which is a webcam software that doesn't run so well, but maybe this time, since I've just reinstalled it, it will start running. Let's see what happens since I've just reinstalled the new version of it, which is a very crashy type of a program. As you can see, oops, UCam has stopped. So this is the problem of the software. It never works quite right. So you have to install it and reinstall it many times until you get it to work. I would like the camera to work with the camera software from Microsoft, but somehow it stopped working. The camera app from Microsoft. Let's see if I can get it to work. Let's make it a little smaller and see if I can rotate this camera to use various cameras. So here is one camera that I'm using now, and I'll keep it on this camera, or maybe I can use the 360 camera. I'm debating. Let's see what else can I use. Let's rotate it around. See that it has some problems with some of the cameras, as you can see. Here's a camera that gives it trouble. I'm not sure which camera is this, but this is my camera here. Let's see if I can rotate it some more and see another camera. Maybe another camera will be better. Yes, the Microsoft camera seems to be better, so maybe I will use it for now and start recording from the Microsoft camera. Start the recording and it will turn on. Something went wrong. Sorry, we aren't able to save the video. If you need it, here is the error code. They give you some error code that you cannot copy. This is why you need PSAR, problem step recorder. So close it and let's see if I can change the camera or try it yet again. Maybe the next time it will be somewhat better now. So close it and let's rotate it to another camera yet. See if another camera is. Close other applications. Another app is using the camera. Okay. So close this camera. Try to rotate it to another camera yet that no other app is using. And let's try to save it from this camera. Looks like this camera may be good enough. I just want to rotate it a little bit towards me and see if we can use this camera. No, it cannot use this camera either. Let's rotate it to yet another camera. Let's see if it can use the Logitech camera. Not sure which camera is that. But this camera cannot display obviously on the screen anything, so this is not good. So rotate it yet again to another camera. Let's see if this camera is able to record. So I'm going to press the record button here. this camera doesn't work either. I'll have to reinstall this camera software. And this comes with Windows. You can download another version of it and try to install it because it seems like it is not going to work.
I'm waiting for you on Zoom, just so you know.
This camera,
Doesn't
let's
look
see
good.
if this camera can record.
It has some issues.
Well, this camera also cannot record. So
Hmm.
basically, none of the cameras can work.
Okay.
The only way to deal with it is to reinstall it.
Okay.
So
Can we do that another time?
we'll do it another time. In the meantime, I want to add to it also Loom, the cloud recorder, because obviously this computer has got enough problems. And also MSN Recorder Max is another camera. So this camera, I click record, oops, and it records right away. It stopped the previous recording and it starts another recording here using the 360 camera above my head. And now I will select the camera for the Loom and see if that camera can work, which camera can work here. And this camera, which camera is that? I'm trying to investigate it.
Looks like from the far. Maybe it's all the way up there. Is that it?
Not sure.
Is it this one?
Don't help me, thank you, please don't help.
It's right this one. It's this one.
Okay,
It's this one.
fine. Okay, so,
Why did,
but I don't like, yeah, that may be good enough for now.
that's this one. I'm looking hot. You can change the angle if you want.
Fine, okay. I want to see if I can use another camera also. Okay, let's start with this so that we don't waste so much time. We'll use that camera and that's it, that's good enough. So I'll focus in more on myself. Okay.
So join the Zoom. I'm waiting for
Alright,
you.
so now I want to join the Zoom call
And you can go to, you see that meeting Vappy?
and
Yeah.
start, click meeting Vappy and click it to start the Zoom call. I've already two of them, fundamental.
No, that's not what you
Which
want.
one do you want?
The Vappy.
The Vappy one?
Yeah.
Okay, and I can close the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, I close the other one.
You may want to reduce your
Now
voice.
start AI companion to assist you in meeting, something, start meeting summary for everyone in this meeting. Turn on. Then I want to adjust the speaker, reduce the volume so it doesn't have so much echo.
What do you want to name yourself? I'm going to rename you. What do you want to be renamed?
Name me Dr. Zoom.
Okay. Okay, now you want to use the video?
Yes.
Okay, so you can click on your video on Zoom.
I want to tighten up the knobs on my lanyard. Let me finish with my lanyard.
Okay.
Then I want to turn the 360 camera my way so the viewer can see. I'm going to connect the retractable to my back. First of all, the one set of retractables for the upper legs, and then the second set of retractable for the lower legs. Then I want to swap phones, so I want to take out the phone that is currently there and replace it with another phone that is fully charged. I'm going to take the phone that is not sufficiently charged yet out, turn the other phone on, swipe it, close all the apps, select camera, and then select video. Now that it is going, and I put on also the flashlight, I'm going to insert it into my lanyard.
Don't you want to turn it off? Your flash. Turn it
I don't
off.
need to turn the flash off. Why should I turn it off?
Because when you put your video on, try to put your camera on, there'll be too much glare.
It's good enough for now.
No, but try to put your camera on.
Okay.
No, not that one.
That's the
On
only
Zoom.
camera that
No,
I have.
no, you don't. You have
Oh,
on
you
Zoom.
want the Zoom camera?
Yes.
Okay, so
Try the Zoom camera and then
I'll
turn off your
it
flash.
off
That's what it did for me. Turn on
Okay.
and make up the zoom.
and turn the video on in
Right.
the Zoom camera.
Yeah.
Okay,
So then you see both. Okay? You
fine.
see me?
I see you and you see me.
Okay.
Let me tilt the computer a little bit so I can get more of my head in there.
Be careful.
Okay.
Okay. Then you know how you can get more of your head in there. Close those talks right there.
Turn
See.
on audio.
No, just X all of those. Yeah, and X the other one. Then you can see what's written on your hat. Yeah.
Reclaim host.
No, just X it.
Co-host.
No, stay co-host.
Yes.
Now you can see yourself better.
Right.
Now, if you want, you can make it larger.
It's good enough. I don't need to make it larger.
Okay.
Do you want me to turn on the audio?
I think if you turn on the audio,
Yes.
then I'm going to have to reduce my audio.
I don't think so because my speaker is very loud
Okay, fine.
and it's fine.
Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Through the computer?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to.
Stream it to YouTube.
Oh, I'm going to right now.
So let's stream it to
So,
YouTube.
no, I first have to record to the computer.
Okay, fine.
I'm waiting, okay?
So
I'm going to record to the cloud, not to the
can you share
computer.
your screen so the audience can see what you're doing here?
Well, right now they're seeing this, exactly what you're saying.
Yeah, but I cannot see your screen.
Just
What
you-
is the point is to show your screen also.
Well, I'm not doing my screen yet. I'm just doing Zoom first.
Fine. I want to see the Zoom.
Okay,
How
but
do you turn on things on Zoom?
I will in a second. Can you bear with me?
Yeah, I didn't tell you to do it right now.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we're starting, okay? We all want to be cooperative here. You got it?
Yeah.
So, right now, I want to you see my screen?
Yes.
I have to stop sharing. I cannot do that until I share. I cannot share my screen first. I have to. It won't allow me to do that if I need to live stream. Okay?
Okay.
So I need to go to welcome everybody. I need to go to live on YouTube. I'm going to choose a Google account and I'm going to stream to It Is Training. Is that okay?
Yes. The same thing you stream your classes.
I'm just,
Keep it simple.
and then I have it in public and I'm going live. And you should see a sign there that Zoom is preparing to live stream the meeting.
Fine.
And it is working, it is streaming live. You have it on your screen. Do you see it? Up above. What does it say? Do you want me to go there and show you?
YouTube, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just get the URL for YouTube.
Do you want me to help
Put
you?
it in, no, put it in my notes.
Okay.
So I copy it to the clipboard buffer.
Right.
And then I want to reduce the volume so it doesn't interfere.
You don't have any volume. It's perfect
I
now.
don't have any audio, so I can leave it like this.
Yes. Let me see. Go down and you can see if it's muted. Go down.
Please tell me what to do and don't punch the screen.
I'm not punching the screen. Move down. Move your cursor down the screen so we can see. Right here. Now move here. Make that mute. Right there. Click. That's it.
Okay.
You got it? All right. Now go back to Zoom. To the right-hand side. Right there. But don't have both of them. It gets too confusing. Minimize. Okay. All right. And then do you want to have your face right in the middle of my face, covering my face?
You don't go in. Or do you
What?
want to be on the side?
Yeah, but why don't you see me?
Because it's not the
No,
Zoom.
because you're in YouTube. You're not in Zoom.
Right. Okay, so now
Okay.
I'm on Zoom.
Okay. So if you pay attention, you'll see that we are recording live to YouTube, and you see we're also recording. Do you see that on your screen? On the very top, it should say recording. Do you see it?
Yes,
Where?
recording. I see
Okay.
that.
So what did I just say? You want to repeat what I just said?
Yes, you asked me if I see recording on the top of the screen, and I said yes.
And that's Zoom recording to the cloud. And then we also have Zoom recording to YouTube live on a channel right now. The recording will give us a URL only after we leave the meeting. Do you understand?
Yes. Can you drink some water or something to clear your throat? Thank you.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
I don't see you ready to begin. Okay, so today what we're going to be talking about is creating an instance of VAPI. You spell it V-A-P-I, and let me share my screen, and I'll start. I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to go to my Chrome, and in Chrome, what I'd like everyone to do is go to a tab and type VAPI.ai. And you'll see the advantage that this is voice AI agents for developers, and you can talk to VAPI. And if you look at the use cases, it can make thousands of calls. Its features, it's flexible it's multilingual. It can use automated testing, and it's basically up 99% of the time. It's SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI compliant, enterprise level security. And what I like about it, it's making the voice AI simple and accessible. So, Dr. Zoom, do you want to take over?
No, I want you to, you're the teacher, I'm the student.
No, but you wanted to show last time you showed it. You want to do it, and I'll just tell you what to do.
Tell me what to do, yes. Just wait for me to refresh this SAR, please. The current time is 3:36. Now I want to copy the PSR file into the clipboard buffer and then insert it before the file
Okay,
itself.
okay. We can't take so much long for each time, so if you can hurry that up.
Backslash, and then make a note that this is a .z type of file. So I'm putting .zp in the title. And now I'm satisfied with this file name. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. But it doesn't work for some reason. The reason that it may not be working is because the question mark that is embedded in here,
Why?
but it's not allowed in the file. Let me delete it and see if that is the correct reason. So I copy it again to the clipboard buffer without the question mark. I replaced it with a dash and then I save it. That works. So now I click on the review additional details to see that up to now it took 133 steps. As I start a new recording, I click the new recording button and then add comment, in which I paste the previous psr.exe file name, enter return and OK. And then drag it away from the center of the screen to a corner on top of the MSN Recorder Max. Then I'll go back to my notepad and edit, paste it in the notepad, widening the notepad, and adding a few blank lines, and then file, save as, to be sure that it saves it in the right subfolder. I want to save it in the log subfolder. So I'm going to first of all paste over the new name that I created, change it from zip to .text, so I'm going to put .tx, and delete the P. Then I'm going to scroll down to the log subfolder. So this is the letter L. So I scroll down to the letter L, LMNOP, LM, H is too far. And I'm looking for here is the log subfolder. Open the log subfolder. I don't know why it doesn't open. Then copy the path to the log subfolder. Paste and backslash. So now I got it in my desired log subfolder. I copy to the clipboard buffer and then click the save button. Then I'm going to edit the psr by selecting add and paste the newly created file psr problem step recorder and OK. And then finally paste it in my notepad, edit, paste, and enter, and file save. So you told me that you want me to navigate the browser to VAPI AI.
Yeah, but first you have to share your screen.
Okay. So I will click on share,
Right.
select my entire screen.
And on the bottom you have to do
Then
share.
on the bottom I click the share icon.
Right. And now Dr. Zoom has started sharing.
Okay.
And so you
I'm
want,
going to write first of all the file name in my notes, VAPI AI,
right,
VAPI.ai.
yeah. Can you minimize your MSN recorder and your webcam max so we can see better?
Can minimize MSN recorder, minimize webcam max.
Yeah. And then you can make it larger. And you can make it, put it down below, and then can you make larger your screen?
Like I keep it a little small so I can
Right,
see.
right. So make Zoom larger. Zoom to take more of the part.
Tell me by keystroke what exactly
You bring down the zoom,
the zoom of what?
the zoom instance. Bring it down to the end of your screen.
I don't know what this one is.
Right down here, your zoom.
Please articulate.
Yes, please bring your zoom to fill up your desktop larger. I don't need to see your desktop. I don't need to see your
What do you
desktop.
want me to do again?
I want you to enlarge that zoom instance.
This look
No,
here.
no, this right here in front. Bring it down.
Bring this down.
Yes.
Okay, what the?
And bring it to the side. You need it to be. You need your notepad to be so big. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then reduce that picture of yourself because you want to see the screen. You want to be able to see the screen of Vappy, and you'll be
Just say
disturbing.
1 hour. Is
Well,
that good?
it's better.
Okay. So what do you want next?
You also have to. So now share your screen. So now you have your share. Now go to Zoom.
Share.
You're in share. You're sharing your screen.
Cancel. Share.
You're in share already.
So I don't need to do it again.
No, but go to your browser. Go to Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome.
So I click on Google Chrome. Okay.
And open up Google Chrome.
Which I have two tabs.
I don't know what you have. And expand that all the way. Use that full screen. Use it full screen that everybody can see it. Yes. And then say okay here. You're basically crowding the screen. No one can read what you have.
What now?
And now go to vappy.ai.
I paste Vappy.
No, you don't want to paste that. You want to go to vappy.ai. I asked you to maximize your Google Chrome. Again, maximize your Google Chrome.
Edit copy Vappy.ai to the clipboard buffer. And then paste it on Google.
Not on Google, on a tab.
Doesn't matter. Just fine. Okay.
And now maximize that screen. Maximize that browser.
Maximize the browser.
Okay.
Okay. Well, what would you like to do next?
Now, do you want to start with what you have already of your dashboard, or you want to start?
I want to start from the beginning. As if I never done that.
So you have to-
Email account.
So you have to sign up. You see where content is
Sign
like,
up, right?
right?
So click sign up. No, I need to select an email.
Right.
So let's use one strategic,
Have you used it already?
not for this purpose, I didn't.
Okay, and then put it in your notes of what you're going to be using.
So one strategic is good.
That's fine, but you have to make sure that you put it in your notepad so you know that this is what you used.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
Right.
Open my notepad again. And paste it after Vappy.
Yes.
So I
And
got
put the date, that you know which date you're using.
it
Okay.
is all dated in
Okay.
the SAR.
Okay, fine.
So to put it to update to SAR, and you can see the note,
Okay, fine.
it will take some time.
Okay, no. Now put in a password.
Now, want to put in a password,
Right.
right?
Yeah. אל תשים אותו דבר שיש לך, תשים משהו אחר.
Okay.
So you're going to remember it?
Yes. So I signed in.
Okay, now see,
Strategic.
so you may want to save it. You could save it so that every time you go in,
So then I saved it also.
okay.
So what
So now click sign in.
Then I click sign in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I click sign in.
What happened? So I guess you may have to go to your Gmail and see if they gave you some verification.
Okay.
So open up another tab
So open up another tab
in the same browser,
in the same browser.
right next to Vappy dashboard. You see Vappy dash?
Open another tab, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
And go to one extra strategic. and check your email.
Okay, let me see what is in inbox here. And then inbox here, we have the same inbox twice, so I can use this one
Right.
to log into another account.
Right.
So I want to log into another account
One strategic.
and add another account. There's the other account.
That's fine. And then click, yeah. Next.
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 And here is a message.
Of Google Voice being expired.
Yeah, in 30 days, so which is
Well,
fine.
February 6th. Have you done that already?
February 6th, I think that I've done it already.
But you didn't delete it from there.
To be sure, let me just log into the Google Voice and see that I have that, I've done it already, and then delete this message. So I'm going to Google Voice.
February 7th. So it seems good. Yeah.
Seems like I've done it
You've done a
already.
call.
I didn't get any message.
No.
either.
So you should have
What do you
deleted.
want now?
Go back to Vappy. Let's see what's happening in Vappy here. Go back to the go back to Google. Chrome. Go back to your Chrome. No, that's not it.
Close this one.
You see down below you have Chrome.
Yes.
Go to Vappy. Now see the tab Vappy?
This is definitely in the right account.
Yes.
Let me go to the Gmail and delete the message.
Yeah.
Because it's no longer relevant.
Right. Okay, so you
Can
can
delete that.
right.
And
Okay.
minimize it now. Or what? And to go to Vappy, right?
Go to Vappy and let's see what it says.
What does it
You don't
say?
okay, sign into your account or sign with, sign up.
Sign up in again.
No, sign up. Here. You see where it says sign up? Below. Excuse me.
Please don't scream.
I'm not screaming. You see here it says sign up. Yeah.
Yes, sign up. What's that?
What's happening? Okay.
So,
So do Google. Okay. Google. Okay. Create your account. Okay. So put in your email again.
my email again?
Yeah. The same one.
One
Yeah.
strategic.
Right. And put in it. Create a different password.
Different, what's wrong with the same?
Anilo password must be at least 10 characters.
Or 10 characters?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, right now I have A.
Right.
And add.
I'll take Mashata ads. Shesh Pamayim, no?
Password must contain at least
One symbol. Right.
So I'll go back and I'll add the dash also.
Okay.
So it will be one.
Maybe start from the beginning.
Sign in again.
No, just sign up. No, you see sign up? Yeah. Do you know what your password
I
is?
think that I didn't select Google, that was the problem. Yeah, let me go again and do it all over.
Okay,
again.
fine.
A Google account from this list.
Okay. So one strategic
And
issue.
maybe it is strange. This is what I didn't. I forgot to click Google.
No, you have one strategic there.
Okay, so one strategic, fine. It is S-Rush.
Okay.
Okay, remember that.
Okay, continue.
Continue.
Right.
Update.
Oh, they just take from Google. No data here. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna have to move your loom. No, your loom, where we can't read what's underneath the overview on the left panel.
Oh, just make it a little smaller. That's all.
What are you doing?
I just moved it away from me.
Okay, fine. Now move right the loom. Okay.
What do you mean now?
Now you have to go back to your Google. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Now, what you hear, you have an overview, you have assistants, and you have phone numbers. Do you want to create the assistant first and then the phone numbers?
No, I want to create the phone numbers first. The most important is to get the...
But I think you have to create an assistant first.
So tell me what to do and I'll do whatever you want.
I think you have to do assistant. Go to assistants.
Okay, go to assistant.
Okay. And you see on the top there it says, do you want to do Mary Dental or you want to do it something else?
Let's do gaming. We did
Okay.
already Mary Dental.
Okay, so create assistant. You see that on the top? You have 3 panels. You have the left-hand panel, and then you have create assistant.
Mary Dental,
No, to the left of that.
top of what?
To the left of Mary Dental's appointment scheduler. You
Here,
see,
Mary Dental.
and on top of it, you see where it says create assistant. Yes.
So what do you want me
Click
to
on
do?
it.
Click on it, okay.
Okay, this is where you do it. So the first thing you want to do is you have an assistant name. Just keep it new assistant. I just keep it new assistant.
And then
And then underneath you have for quick start, you have appointment setter, customer support, inbound and game, NPC,
game, and then the
pre-configure.
template to set up to give you a quick introduction to your assistant. Use it as a reference or starting point for creating your custom assistant.
Let's start with game NPC.
It seems like a pre-configured one is easier.
Okay, I don't know, I've never used it, we can try it.
Let's use it one time. Now.
Okay, now there's a plus. What's that plus?
Let's create a new one.
I don't know, what's a plus mean? Click on it.
Told you
Okay, click.
to create, to mark it as a
Okay,
selection.
okay. Market selection, okay. So click. I've never used it before, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Now you know I clicked it.
Okay, so click it.
Nothing happened.
Well,
You want to try the game then?
hold on, let me just see something here.
Tell
Can
me
you
what to do.
make this larger?
This larger?
Make this whole screen larger so I see the whole thing here. Because see, when you make it too small and you
Okay,
don't
assistant,
you
right.
understand, and
Okay,
you've
so
done that
that
many
is
times. Many times you do that.
So you have to know to correct the students. They say I don't see the create assistance. I have to stress you have to make it full screen.
Right. I told you that 4 times already. Remember?
And number 5,
Right.
make the screen full size so it can display the message create assistant.
Right. And we've never used pre-configured demo.
Right. So let's try to use it now so we know what the result is.
Okay, so now create assistant.
But it may not let you select your phone number, which is a problem.
I don't know.
Try create assistant.
You said you wanted to do that.
Yes. Hello, I'm Jordan, the CEO, co-founder of Rappi.
Where do you see that?
First message here. What is your
Let
name?
me. Oh, that's the first message. It says, identify you are Jordan, co-founder. Oh, the only problem with this is you have to fill it out. It's like prompting you. You have to answer all the questions. You understand? And then it'll create a demo.
So just, we don't want to do that because this is too much work.
Yes. You
We're
understand?
gonna go back and cancel that and
All
then
right.
we'll get the game and see.
Because this is a way, it's kind of like fill in the blanks.
Right.
Tell me your name.
And that will
Tell
take a long time.
They can do that later, maybe as a part, but
Right.
do you understand?
So first, so we want to go back and select something else. Right? I go back,
Create an assistant. Go and create an assistant, maybe.
create an assistant again.
Let's see. You know what I'm saying?
I'll select game.
Game or inbound Q&A or customer support.
Or do something different.
Let me see what it says. Let me read it. What does it say?
An assistant for demonstrating in-game NPC. Elenia is designed to offer guidance, lore, and insight into the mysteries of the natural world.
See, I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? It's like those gamers, and they have like a virtual meta game, and that's not for businesses.
Okay, so what? Inbound Q&A.
That's for like home advice or customer support. I like
What do you like?
I like customer support because it's the most generic.
Okay, so customer support select.
Yes. And then you have to do, what are you missing?
Nothing, I have to create an assistant.
Exactly.
So can I create an
Yes.
assistant? What would you like me to do next?
Create an assistant.
So I create an assistant.
Okay. So in creating an assistant, can you please move your loom? Your loom, where it's hiding all your commands
Fine.
on the left.
A little smaller than
Yeah, right. That'll be good. Okay.
okay, now what would you like?
And make it a little longer.
You mean taller?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You understand?
Yes.
So this is Ava. All right.
Yes.
And now demo assistant. And this is Ava. Okay, this is Ava. We can use Ava as our, okay, and now go to phone numbers.
Now go to phone number.
Right.
Okay. So now I'm on phone number.
Okay, now you create a phone number.
I'll create a phone number.
Now which phone are you going to use?
I'm going to bring up my notepad.
Okay, so bring up your notepad. Your notepad, your spreadsheet, your Excel spreadsheet.
Yes, I'm turning on Excel. And I want to open the XLS Vanity phone number, which
Right.
we put on the blackboard.
Right.
So here, all those that are marked
Or what?
are what we want to use. For example, 248 is good because it spells the word bit.
Why don't we continue with USA for ourselves? Just put not now. Because it's that Excel, that's the version for the,
Because we want
You know.
to test the others.
oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
One day they may become available and then we want to use them.
Okay. I thought you wanted to grab it for yourself, some more USAs, before they get rid of it. I'm asking you.
Wow.
Job is good too.
What is good? Job is good.
Yeah, I think. What do you think?
Job is working one time. I have to make a note of it here.
Why is it an X?
I did the note of it.
Well,
work also one time. So let me try job. Is it okay?
yeah. It'll tell you if it doesn't have it. 562, no?
So 5, 6, 2, and create.
No.
Currently not available. So 607 is not good.
What about 6?
262 is good.
What does that spell?
Wow. Or calm. Like calm. Those animals, the small animals that make cob, the nets.
Oh, like cobweb, like a spider.
Yes, spider, right. Or Bob. You want USA instead?
Yeah.
What would you like?
I like USA because might as well use something for ourselves. You understand? And see if it's available still.
Let me make sure that I have 262 in my notes.
Yeah. Go back up, no? You have it.
Here.
Me and Bobby McGee. Yeah.
So let's put a note that
This
it was
too. Yeah.
or available.
Yeah.
Okay, X were not available.
Right. So now go to USA, because I'd like to fill that up. Uh, by the, you want to maybe do the dial pad or something like that, so you can put in numbers to see what it spells.
USA.
No, but do you also want to open a tab for like dial? For dialing to find out what your number spells?
What Bob spell?
No, if you get some new numbers in USA,
Okay.
you want to see what it spells. So open up a tab of one of the dial pads. Right. See if it works.
It doesn't work.
Yeah. Do you have another one?
Yeah, I can spell my phone. Dictate to me.
Spell, SPELL, my phone.
My phone number.
Right.
Very valid.
Phone spell. Okay, so
62262 and show me. You want to find here is Bob.
Bob, right.
And that was not available.
And Anna.
And this is good because this is the name of Anna. N-A-I.
And then it's
And
boa,
too.
like boa constrictor.
Right.
Okay. But I like USA,
You
so,
like USA?
yeah.
Okay, so if you want to put USA,
in Vapi.
USA is 872.
Right.
872.
Right, keep that.
And show me. And then you have to scroll to the three characters that are at the bottom.
Right. And it does,
And the US.
but they say,
Here,
USA.
USA together. I don't
Right.
know why
right.
they didn't listen together.
No.
Here it is.
I think they want a word, and it's not and that's that the problem is that's an abbreviation.
Fine.
So they don't show you abbreviation.
Is this good enough?
Yes.
You want some more of this?
No.
Okay.
But just keep it now. Go to Vapi, go to the tab Vapi,
Okay.
and then also go to, do you have to list which numbers you already have taken?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's kill too much time. Let's
Okay.
start USA then.
Right.
I want to try other beat, something like this.
Okay.
Did I say it? You already destroyed it. Oh, 248, I said, right? 8.
No.
Oops, we couldn't find the space. Create a phone number. 248,
Doesn't work.
create. Okay.
No, that's not good. It's 8-1. It's all numbers. But it is available.
It's available, but I don't want it
Right.
because it has digits in it.
Right.
And this is the struggle that I
Right.
want to go through to demonstrate. Don't just take any name,
Right.
but mark that it didn't work.
Right.
Did.
But the area code is available.
Oh, V did work, but it was there.
Right.
So V,
You understand?
it worked, but it was, I didn't like it.
Right. You understand? What's the X for? Oh, okay.
And if I don't want it,
You just, you trash can.
delete,
Delete.
delete.
Right.
And I want to delete this one too. I don't like this either.
It's the same one.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
Delete this one too. Delete.
It's,
And create another one.
right.
The next one will be, let's put USA
Okay.
872 and see what that.
See if it's still available.
Yeah, that one is kind of not available.
Yeah.
But
You
I
understand?
gave you another two that are not there. 864
Okay.
and 2 228.
So you see, you almost have to grab them while they have it, you know?
No, it's fine. And then
Right.
come back. You have 3
Right.
people, so each one has an email address, and
Right.
we can keep doing it until they
Right.
find a good one.
Right.
And if not,
It's okay. They can get one to try it.
yeah. So I'm going to paste
He-
it at the top here.
Don't you want to look for 864?
864,
Keep on going down.
864,
Stop.
64.
You don't have it listed.
I don't have it listed, so let me
Insert. No, you want to go down.
put it in my notes first.
Okay.
And then I want to put what is before 864.
Is 849
849. So I want to insert another
in front of talk.
insert.
Right. 864.
I want to delete the 2A.
Yeah.
And this is good because it's spelled vocal, like vocal.
Yeah. Like Volk.
Like the word vocal. Like voice or vocal.
Yeah, that's very good.
That's very good. So let's
Yeah.
try that and see what comes out from
Yeah.
there. Mark it yellow if it is very good.
Yeah. And also mark that it does exist.
Yes, thank you. So V does exist.
V, not C. Okay.
Okay.
Now create.
Then we have also 228 is bat.
But do you want to see what exists
Bat
first?
cat.
But you
This
don't.
is really better because it's a
Yeah.
complete word, you know.
Which one? The
Bat or cat.
oh,
Let me see if this is available. So
228.
228. So go to 22.
Stop.
22.
228.
Here.
Bat. Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with 228.
Create.
Create. Okay. Also 01.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like this either.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to delete that.
Okay.
And mark that I didn't like it.
228. That's 4. You want to go to 228. 8.
Where's 228?
Right. Number 8. Row 8.
It was available,
Was available, but you deleted it.
but I deleted it. Put X means that I deleted it. So
Right. And now delete.
Z.
Okay. What does Z mean?
Z deleted it.
Z means delete.
Yeah.
Okay, so delete it.
So delete it. And now I'll try vote. So the vote was vocal.
But I like that.
You like vote?
Yeah. Like vocal.
Vote. And the vibe is also good. Vote is V. 6. Here, this one.
Right. 864.
8, 6, 4.
You don't have the 4.
8, 6, 4.
Right. Now create.
Okay.
That's a 0
Zero
too.
and a 2. That's the problem with the
Yeah.
other one. Have a 0
Zeros,
in there.
right.
So this will be vote, ITI, 9, ITI, IX. I don't like that either. So pretty soon we will exceed 10.
Yeah.
We exceeded it.
Maybe let's do 1.
Try USA and then
We tried USA.
not available.
Right.
Let's try VID, 842.
Okay. I like that one, if it's available.
Yes. Maybe 876, run.
No.
7,
No, that's not run.
6,
That's not run. 786 is run.
786, thank you. 786.
I don't think it's available.
Not
No. 864 is available, or 307.
This is Vogue. 864.
Is Vogue. What about
Done,
8?
right?
What?
We have done Vogue. I didn't like it.
No, it's with a G. This is 8.
Oh, this is misspelled. This is not Vogue. This is Vogue with a G.
All right.
Did I do it?
862, they said, is available. No, 864.
Vogue. So what do you want now?
That you tried it and you got a 0. You want to try another one to see?
So it is available.
Yeah. But
And C has deleted it.
yeah.
And we'll put the code.
Okay.
What is each character? Okay, so
Okay.
let's try 847. 847. Tip.
No. They're giving you the same one.
47.
And soon you're going to be out of it.
Okay, what else can you try? I tried it and it wasn't
No.
available. No, I didn't try 843.
You did, I thought. It said it wasn't available.
No, it wasn't available. And 862. Wait, let's try wait. Maybe that's available. 929. 929. Yeah,
No.
no.
So put an X.
929. Put another X. Not available.
Mm-hmm.
With 949. 949. Create.
No.
No, not available.
It's going to stop on you.
Let's stop.
Okay. This way you get the check.
What else do you want? Yes.
Yes, I like that.
You like it? 937.
Yeah.
937. Create.
No.
Which we tried, then we tried, both we tried, what we tried.
Tip. Was tip available? But we just didn't like the number? Then why is there a V?
Doesn't matter, tax. Tax is 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Create.
No.
So tax is not available, okay. Tech is good too.
Tip is good, but it's not.
Okay, that's okay. Tech is 832. 832.
No.
No.
So put an X. So sometimes it was available, I guess?
Yes.
Rap, I like rap, but that was not available.
Then it's 3737. 737. Create. Not available.
So you want to put 2 X's?
Yeah. Another X. I should save it also. When I crash it then.
What about SEC?
Second, I tried second.
But you, not today.
No. So that is 732.
I like that.
732. Create. No.
That's not
Set.
X.
7, 6, 7, and pre.
Pray.
7, 6, 7,
I like pre.
and create.
No.
No, for 7, 6,
So put X for pop.
another X. And then 7, 7, 3, pre. I have to go to the restroom, so can you take over?
No.
Or you want to wait?
I want to wait.
You want to wait? Take
Yeah.
a little break.
Yeah. So basically, we see.
Nine, 6, 6, 9. Let's try that.
Because it's soon going to stop you anyways.
Right. I don't know, but we need to see if it starts. 505 at 307, and because of this is not good. I don't know if they limit you here to 662 loud. 662 create.
No. So put an X. אני צריכה גם כן לדעת. So.
Min and man. So
Max, what about Max?
Max, I don't know.
I don't know even if that's an area code.
Max, but min is 646. 46. 46. Create.
No.
So then we'll put another X there. And man is 636. Okay. No. Another X there.
Go back up.
Oh man with A. 626.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
No.
Put another X in here.
Mm.
And man, 63.
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
This correct it wrong.
Right. Go back up.
Job we tried and it was
It didn't,
wrong.
right.
No, we rejected it. Can't.
Maybe job. Maybe they have another one that doesn't have ones. If we do job again.
The influence from jobs that give job 1, 2, you know, 1, 3 and 1, 4. You have to wait for 10, 20.
Okay. 22. Yeah.
So let's try confusing this one.
Kit, you wanted to
5,
do.
4, 8. We can give it, take a little break.
Yeah.
5, 4, 8. And create. No, 5, 4, 8. Is also no.
No.
Okay, let's take a little break.
Let me turn off.
Oh, fun is really great.
Yeah, fun would be great.
Fun, let me take a break.
Yeah, fun.
3, 8, 6.
6.
3, 8, 6.
Create. No.
And 4. We'll do this after the break, so I'm saving it now. And let's take a little break. I'm going to stop the
It's an hour and 4 minutes.
recording on